Oh my God, it worked. Hi friends, it's me, Mila Martinico, and you are here back in my home kitchen with all of these people who live here and are quiet. My kids are trying to sign to each other and don't know sign language. So excuse me. We are here and we are making something that is so delicious for Christmas morning. We are going to make a buttermilk spice coffee cake. Growing up, there was this place called Mimi's Cafe, and it was a, chain restaurant or whatever. But listen, I loved going there whenever we would go to Macy's, because we would go and me and my nonna would each you would get a quiche and a salad and a muffin. And I always picked the buttermilk spice muffin. This coffee cake tastes exactly like that muffin, and it is so good. Does it have a lot of calories? Probably, but calories don't count on Christmas. So let's make this coffee cake. First things first, we are going to do a little hack because there was no buttermilk. If you ever don't have buttermilk, all you do is take a little bit of lemon juice. We're gonna put a teaspoon of lemon juice for every cup of milk, and you just put it in the milk and you let it sit and it becomes buttermilk. You really do need buttermilk. See, now it's really starting to curdle. You really do need buttermilk though for this recipe, because the buttermilk is going to activate the baking soda and it's going to make our coffee cake rise. We're gonna put a big splash of vanilla. I would say that's about a tablespoon. We're gonna put 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of a neutral oil. This is actually avocado oil because we don't do seed oils in my house. We are going to put in, and I'm going to put it in really slowly, some browned butter so there's no curdles. And this is 1/4 cup, which is 4 tablespoons of browned butter. And that is all of our wet ingredients. All right, let's assemble our dry ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of nutmeg. I have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I want you to know that I did that like hours ago. Still remember that. Can't remember which child I'm talking to, but I remember that. So we're gonna mix these all together. There we go. All right, let's mix the wet into the dry. Now you don't want to over mix this, so you want to just mix it up until it's incorporated. Oh, it smells so good already. That looks good. All right, here we go. Let's put our mixture in there. It is thick, milady. You could use a loaf pan too, if you want kind of a thicker coffee cake, but I probably should have used a loaf pan, but it's fine. Make sure that whatever you decide to use, you are going to use a buttered dish. So we're just gonna spread this out to the sides, and now we're going to make our topping. In my bowl, I've got 1/3 cup of raw sugar, because I like that crunchy crunch. And then I've got 1/3 cup of pecans, chopped really nice. And then 1/3 cup of flour. And then I've got 2 tablespoons of softened butter. And then I've got a teaspoon of cinnamon and a teaspoon of nutmeg. And that's gonna go in there. And we are going to use a fork, like a grandma, and we are going to just incorporate that all together. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, it's beautiful. We are going to put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, and it's gonna be in there for about 20 to 25 minutes or until a knife inserted in the middle comes out clean. All right, let's make a quick little glaze and put it on top of our coffee cake, and then we're gonna enjoy it. I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, and a big glug of vanilla, and half a cup of icing sugar. Uh-oh, is that too much? That was a little bit too much. Let's make it 3/4 of a cup of icing sugar. Be right back. Whoopsie. This is how I come up with all my best recipes. Trial and error. People always ask me, like, whenever I come over to your house, you're never measuring. How do you come up with recipes? Well, I eyeball them. And then I have to test them. And trial and error. I probably should have sifted it. This is terrible. Okay, you know what? It's fine. We're gonna do it in a cup of powder. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. In 1 1/4 cups, we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of half and half. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. This is so ugly. I just thought of something. Let's see if it works. I think I'm just gonna pour it through here so the chunks don't go. I've never done this before. Welcome to chaotic cooking with me. Oh my God, it worked. Be smarter from the beginning so you don't have to work harder. What a happy accident, in the words of Bob Ross. Dang, that do look good though. Let's try it. Oh yeah, baby. I cut out a pretty piece and we're taking pictures of it, but I can't wait. Let's go. I'm going right for the middle. That almost didn't make it in my mouth. This is like the perfect winter spice cake ever. It's so fluffy and it's so delicious, and the top is like crunchy and moist. I don't know. It's so good. Please let me know if you try it. It's perfect for Christmas morning and watching your family be happy and celebrate. I love you. Don't forget to follow me on all the things. Tanti Bachi.